What if you could go from this to this, and it would only take you about 2 minutes? So imagine if you could turn an ordinary boring video into a highly engaging, high converting video in a matter of minutes. Hi there, my name is Chad Nicely. On behalf of my amazing partner, Karthik Amani, I'm gonna show you how to create a high engaging, profit pulling video that will get visitors to watch, engage, and most importantly, take action. Now you have to know there's over 500 million hours of videos that are watched each and every day. And if we take a look at Facebook, 85% of those videos are watched without sound. In fact, you have less than 15 seconds to catch your visitors' attention, keep them watching, and you see, that's the difference between making sales or making nothing. So I want you to pay close attention, because what I'm about to reveal to you will teach you how to take an ordinary, boring video and get massive engagement and turn it into a lead conversion machine. All within minutes. And the best part is, this works even if you have no tech skills or any ability to create compelling video content right now. So I'm going to share with you how simple Covrr Studio style videos help build an email list, I hope you're ready, of a subscriber base of over 300,000 people. That's right, you heard me correctly, 300,000 people. So I'm going to show you a demo here in just a minute. But you have to know that this game-changing technology, it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. And you don't have to worry, it's not complicated. As a matter of fact, we have it broken down to 4 easy steps. Now, I'm going to share those steps with you right now so that you can see for yourself that this is absolutely something that you can do. So step number 1, you're simply going to upload your video. Easy, right? Check. Step number 2, you're going to go ahead and pick a high converting template, and you can even go and customize the template. Check. Step number 3, you have the ability to then add automated captions. Check. And step number 4, you're really going to like this one, you're then going to go click a button, share, and start profiting immediately. What did I tell you? Easy peasy, right? Now, you can watch the full video demo down below on this page. Now, you have the secret to taking an ordinary, boring video and having it start pulling in traffic for you in a matter of minutes. But not only that, you see, we've packed Covrr Studio with the most amazing first-to-market features, such as the ability to create unlimited videos. You heard me right, unlimited videos. So you can use this for your own videos, or you can use it for your clients. And the best part is there's no restrictions. So you can create as many videos as you want. Now, we had our professional design team create 100 absolutely beautifully handcrafted templates, and they're all built in the software. You just click a button and bada bing, bada boom, you're all set up, ready to rock and roll. There's no design skills that are needed, and you can use these for your own business, or you can use them for your clients. And you don't even have to be an expert at Photoshop. Heck, you don't even have to open the program. So you're able to create these videos from scratch. You simply upload your video, you choose a template, you place in some text, and then you can use a timeline editor to play GIFs, shapes, images, text, even emojis. You can make it appear anywhere in the video that you choose. You see, this is the software that you've been looking for. You've seen all these amazing videos on your timeline and everything else. Well, this is how you can have the same results. But we've also got multiple layouts. So we have multiple preset layouts and templates in each type for you to choose from. So if you can think of a type of video dimension, well, chances are that we have it. How about video progress bars? So you've seen the biggest names in marketing use these. Well, now you can add the exact same features to your videos. Now, this has been proven to dramatically improve conversion rates. So you're going to look like a boss. How about the custom header and the footer wrappers? We see those everywhere, and these are guaranteed to grab attention immediately right when they see your videos. But check this out. What if I told you you can also add custom countdown timers to your videos as well? So that way they know how much time is left in your video and there's a sense of urgency. But now let's talk about the quality of your videos, because what if I told you you're going to have the ability to export to 4K? So we all know that high quality video is essential today. So when you export your video, you can do it in HD all the way up to 4K. So your clients will know that you are on top of your game. But you also have automated captions, right? So not only can you get automated captions for your videos, but you can also edit the captions, and you can even reach audiences who are watching your videos on mute. Pretty amazing, right? And there's no extra software that's needed. But you see, that's not all that Covrr Studio offers. Now, I could go on and on and on, and trust me, I'm capable of doing that because I haven't even mentioned the 10 MOV templates, the ability to import your videos from multiple sources. How about adding any video of any length with no time restriction? I'm going to say that again, any video of any length. What if you could customize your own branding and personality? You got 50 top-notch fonts that are all built in. You can customize the videos with shapes, emojis, images, GIFs. There's millions of stock footages, stock images. There's 100+ icons that you can use. We have the high-converting timeline editor. And as I said before, I really, truly can go on and on. But at this point, the best thing for you to do would be to scroll down and view all the details on this page, so that you can see for yourself how powerful this amazing piece of software is. So with Covrr Studio, you'll have an unfair advantage over the competitors. And you're gonna stand out of the crowd, you're gonna get the undivided attention, you're gonna keep your audience captivated, you're gonna reach a global audience, you're gonna engage like you never ever have before, you're gonna create the urgency, and you're gonna lead the viewers to finally take action. You see, Covrr Studio is the easiest way to make high converting videos in a matter of minutes. Videos that demand engagement. So I want you to see for yourself right now how you can use Covrr Studio in a number of ways to get more engagement, generate more leads, skyrocket your sales, and stand out as the authority figure in your marketplace with one powerful, easy to use tool. And you can use it for your video ads, your YouTube videos, authority videos, social media, VSLs, and so much more. However, I do need to warn you that Covrr Studio is being offered for a very low time price, but only for a limited time. You see, when this timer runs out on this page, well, you're gonna end up investing more in this amazing, easy to use, profit pulling video conversion tool. Or the second option is you're gonna have to pay a monthly fee. You don't want to do that, right? Nope, let's get you in right now. So don't delay. Go ahead and see everything that Covrr Studio can do for you right now on this page. See for yourself how you're going to be able to generate more leads, sales, comments, likes, followers, and even create a massive viral frenzy for all of your comment. And once you're done, you'll go ahead and click the button down below to claim access to Covrr Studio before the timer runs out. It will clearly be one of the best decisions you can make for 2021 and the best decision that you can make for your business, hands down. So go ahead and click the button down below. Remember, you're backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. Click the button down below, and on that note, I'll see you on the inside. Take care.